Hello guys, welcome back and thanks so much for watching. If you're new on my channel, my name is Yolanda. Thanks so much for joining me. Today I'll be using a prickle cactus plant for hair growth, but before I dive deep into the video, let's look at what cactus leaf can actually do for your natural hair. Cactus is high in fatty acids, which are excellent in preventing hair loss as it allows all the 3 stages of your hair growth process to take place. Cactus help to maintain soft, smooth and shiny hair. Essential vitamins and minerals from cactus leaves helps keep individual hair follicles healthy and nutritious. It contains vitamin B5, which helps the hair to retain moisture, as the leaf components cause the hair to retain and trap moisture. It promotes hair growth. Cactus leaves contain omega fatty acids, a compound vital for hair growth and development. Helps a lot with detangling your hair and managing your hair, guys. Like, this is bomb. First, I'll start by removing the prickle stuff. You can easily do this simply on fire, but I chose to use a Detangle as this is a little bit safe for me, because remember, like, the prickle stuff is really dangerous, especially if it is consumed. So I shied away from using a family braid. So as you can see, I'm holding this prickle cactus with a newspaper. Then I'm going to bend the prickles. As you can see, the spiky things are all gone. Now it's time for me to poke out these seed-like pods. Then I'll wash the leaf thoroughly, and then the leaf will be ready for use. As you can see, this is what the leaf looks like. It is not as slimy as the aloe vera leaf is, but guys, it is super moisturizing. So now guys, I'm all done. As you can see, the cactus chalk looks like this. It is smaller than aloe. Right now I'm going to go ahead and throw everything in a blender. Then I'll add water and then I'll just let it blend. And as you can see, I'm actually continuing to throw some chunks in and water while I'm blending. So now, as you can see, my juice is ready. So right now I'm going to go ahead and sieve. So ladies, I used my juice as a pre-poo, and also I used it after a conditioner as a leave-in conditioner. So therefore I start by applying the juice from the tips going all the way down to my roots, and also I massage it on my scalp. Guys, like, this is really one of the best, and this is one of the products that can actually make your hair super manageable. I can guarantee you that you'll be able to maintain your natural hair. This is one of the plants that you need to have in your house. Like, this is beautiful. You need to have this. So thanks so much guys for watching. I'll see you on my next video. I really hope that you found this video to be helpful, and please, if you did, don't forget to thumbs up, comment down below, and please do share the video. Yeah, and just help me grow my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.